Tati doesn't have a body for to look good. Her body is not amazing. Tati's body is not amazing. Zinu Malo's body is amazing.
Atikawuleza amanhliziyo ifile ngithethe ndigcina ndiphile inhliziyo khona ukumela kuningi noma kutheni soze niwine atikawuleza soze ndizifihle noma ungacela ngegama lami ngiyala ngoba kuyafana ngekukhona noma ngane Thanda ukungibona ngisoye, thanda ukungibona ngiwile, thanda ukungibona ngisoye. Yeah, yeah,